So let's add our 2 email addresses to your whitelist so we don't land in any of your spam folders. First of all, you go to Settings, then you click See All Settings, then you go ahead and click Filters and Blocked Addresses. So what you want to do here is create a new filter. You enter our email address, petalandstem@tkajabi.net or t.kajabimail.net. Click Create Filter, Never Send to Spam, and Create Filter again. Alright, and then let's do it with the second one. Create a new filter. And this one will be the info@petalandstem.com email address. Again, click Create Filter, Never Send it to Spam, and Create Filter again to confirm. And then they will come up both here under your filter section that they will be coming into your incoming mail. This way you will not miss our latest releases and updates and everything else. So thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye.